So this is a bit of a product review, a bit of a how-to video. You can see the electrical outlet right there. We taped it up good. It's the breaker's off for it, but still, it's always, I don't like electric. I tape everything. If you watch my videos, you know I'm scared of electric. You can see the oxidation leaching right there from the shutters. The homeowner painted those a little bit to try to blend it in. But obviously we're not, if there's painted surface, this is not going to take it off. This only works for oxidation leaching, like the powder residue that the rain pulls down and then it saturates the porous brick. This will pull that out. Any real, like, actual painted brick, it's not going to take that paint off the brick. But from my experience anyways. But when you use a pump sprayer, you want one with a relief valve. Relieve the pressure before you're going to twist the cap, and always wear breathing protection and eye protection and gloves. We have 2 pressure washers on the job. If you're doing something like this, it's always good to have a valve in case. You know, you're going to be in trouble with pressure washers and stuff. This is a chemical we were using in the winter store by chem. It works great. I mean, it really does for oxidation removal. You can see here, watch how it cuts right through it. Now you're about to see me do something really stupid. Don't ever do that. The tape was falling off. It's brick, obviously, it's going to fall off. Now we knew the power was off, but if it was on, I could have got zapped there. But anyways, you wet the surface. You keep it damp. You apply the chemical straight, and then you let it sit. And you want to wet the shutters, the glass, the plants, everything really good. And then you let it set for 5 minutes. And then if there's a bad area, just mist it. Don't ever let it dry. Mist it. Apply the chemical again, and it comes off just like that. The leach water is what you really need to worry about, though. You can see this little cutout right here. We had to hurry up and put tarp over that because I forgot to in the beginning. You want to make sure you tarp anything, any cutouts like that. But you can see how easy it comes right off. That's with low water pressure. And we ended up cleaning the gutters, you know, with SH and everything. But I believe this product is hydrochloric acid. But here we set up like a little filtration thing. You can see the tarp. That water's filtered before. She had a really nice patio down here. So I wanted it to filter through the earth before, you know, it reached the patio, because it just went right over the hill to the patio. So we dug a hole, set up sandbags, and that way we filled up the water. And you can see how great it looks here now. So if you're doing this for a side gig, or for you have a pressure washing company or business or whatever, you want to make sure you charge accordingly, because this stuff is expensive, but it does a great job. The homeowner will definitely be happy if you know, just follow those easy instructions that are on the bucket.